Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Gaurav Paliwal. Today in this video, you will come to know all the major extension and relief under Income Tax Act due to COVID-19. First one is for the financial year 1920, that is for assessment year 2020-21. The due date for income tax return, which is 31st July, and for audit return is 30 September, is extended to 30th November 2020. Second one is income tax return for the financial year 1819 under section 139(4), that is belated return, would become time barred in the normal course by 31st March 2020, now could be filled up to 30 June 2020. Third one is with the aim of increasing liquidity, the rates of TDS and TCS has been reduced by 25% for non-salaried person. The benefit of this reduced rate is available from 14 May 2020 to 31st March 2021. If you want to watch this notification in detail, you can click on I button and get all the knowledge, all the information about this notification in detail. Fourth one is the date of TDS and TCS filing has been extended to 30 June 2020. Fifth one is the due date for tax audit for the financial year 1920 has been extended from 30 September 2020 to 31st October 2020. Sixth one is for Vivad Se Vishwas scheme. For settle tax dispute between assessee and income tax department, Vivad Se Vishwas scheme was introduced in budget 2020. The scheme offered complete waiver of interest and penalty if the scheme is availed by 31st March 2020. An individual opting for settlement after 31st March 2020 was required to pay an additional 10% penalty on disputed amount. However, now the date for opting Vivad Se Vishwas scheme has been extended to 31st December 2020. That means you do not have to pay any penalty in this case up to 31st December 2020. Seventh one is for Aadhaar PAN linking. For those who are yet to link their PAN with Aadhaar, deadline for linking PAN with Aadhaar has been extended to 30 June 2020 from earlier date 31st March 2020. This extension will come as a relief as not linking will lead to PAN become inoperative as per Income Tax Act. Eighth one is for delayed payment of advance tax, self-assessment tax, regular tax, TDS, TCS, STT, CTT made between 20 March 2020 to 30 June 2020, there will be reduced rate of interest will be applied at the rate 9% instead of 12% or 18% per annum. Ninth one is for investment claim period extension. The cutoff date for making investment in tax saving instrument has been extended from 31st March 2020 to 30 June 2020. Due to this extension, a special schedule named DI has been inserted in new ITR form, where you have to show this investment made between period 1st April 2020 to 30 June 2020. Thanks for watching me. Stay tuned for more update.